Looking to earn money as an affiliate marketer? Consider Pinterest, a social media platform with 518 million monthly users and a reach that covers everyone from Gen Z to high-income households. With a good eye, creativity, and some interesting products to share, you can leverage Pinterest to drive affiliate sales. Ahead, learn how to put your Pinterest account to work and generate passive income on the platform. While Pinterest is technically a social media network, it differs from other platforms. Yes, you still get to see images and video clips. It also lets you create and share posts. So, what makes it different from all the other social media platforms? As we've mentioned earlier, Pinterest is a visual search engine. With it, you can create your posts, which we'll be referring to as pins from now on. Aside from letting you create your pins, you can browse the platform to look for other pins that you can add to your board. Because it's primarily a visual medium, Pinterest lends itself well to affiliate marketing. When you search for 90s fashion, for example, you'll come across something like this. Notice how, on the far right, one pin with the beige sweater is tagged as promoted by SHEIN. When you hover your cursor above the pin, you'll see several options about what you can do with this pin. You can save it to one of your boards, you can share it on your preferred social media platform, or you can go ahead and visit the SHEIN website. When you click on the external, you'll be taken directly to the specific SHEIN website that features this particular sweater. Furthermore, Pinterest goes beyond just showing you images and video clips. It also doubles as a valuable resource for tutorials, guides, and articles. All the pins from your search results will have external links that will redirect you to external sites or specific articles or blog posts. So, if you see something you're interested in, you can click the link to visit the website that houses the actual post. Pinterest affiliate marketing benefits both affiliate marketers and brands. It's where people go to find inspiration and make informed purchasing decisions. Furthermore, they come there with the intent to purchase. Pins are a potentially powerful way to drive traffic to your website or affiliate pages, especially if you're working with products that require heavy visuals like beauty products or home decor. Some of the other industries that can benefit from using Pinterest for affiliate marketing include fashion, food and beverage, household goods, and health and fitness. Moreover, when you put out your affiliate links on Pinterest, they don't look like traditional ads. They're not disruptive and blend well with all the other pins. Best of all, by being on Pinterest and using it for affiliate marketing, you already have access to an audience that's interested in discovering new products and making a purchase. According to Pinterest, 80% of its weekly pinners have found a new brand or product on the platform. Plus, 45% of pinners in the US alone have a household income of over $100,000. Through Pinterest, marketers can have access to another channel to grow their income and following, while brands can use Pinterest to drive interest in their products or services. The platform can also help merchants boost brand awareness, drive engagement and conversion, direct traffic to your website for both marketers and brands, nurture brand loyalty, and enjoy better ROI. One advantage of trying out Pinterest for affiliate marketing is that joining the platform is free. Once you've set up your Pinterest account, you can start creating pins for the affiliate products or services you're promoting. This alone makes Pinterest an invaluable source of free traffic. One of the most important tools you need to pay attention to when planning for Pinterest affiliate marketing is the pins themselves. Aside from being a visual channel that gives your audience an idea of what you're promoting, they have an exceptionally long shelf life compared to tweets or snaps. So, even if your pins have been around for months, it's highly likely that visitors can still see them, provided that they're optimized and remain relevant, of course. Moreover, you can optimize your pins so that they're more likely to appear in search results for your target keywords. However, before you can engage your audience with your pins and drive traffic to your affiliate website, you need to create eye-catching pins. You can use the creative assets shared by your affiliate network, or you can opt to create your own. When creating pins, make sure that they're not just visually stunning, they also need to be relevant and helpful to your audience. Pair your pins with SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. How to get started with Pinterest affiliate marketing. 1. Identify your niche. If you haven't identified your niche yet, now is probably the best time to do so. With a niche, you're able to identify and narrow down who your target audience will be. You'll be able to understand your audience better, including what their needs are. Thus, you'll be able to position yourself or what you're promoting as a solution to their pain points. Additionally, having a niche means you're able to narrow down your focus on what you should publish on your website, ensuring that what you're creating would be relevant to your target audience. Also, having a niche allows you to specialize in that particular subject, giving you the opportunity to become a subject matter expert. And if you're passionate or enthusiastic about your niche, you'll be able to express yourself and your interests better, which can help add authenticity. 2. Determine your goals. It's important to have clear, measurable, and realistic goals. Aside from being valuable tools that can help you narrow your focus and give you direction, goals can help you set targets, as well as measure your progress and see if there's anything you can improve. For example, if you're an affiliate marketer, do you want to drive more traffic to your website and to the website of the brand that you're working for? What benchmarks can you set in place to help you measure your progress? 3. Join an affiliate program or network. Affiliate programs or networks can give you access to exclusive content that you can promote on Pinterest. These channels can also give you special offers you can share with your audience. For example, if you already have a brand or product you love, you can consider checking out their website to see if they're currently looking for affiliates. Alternatively, you can join an affiliate marketing network. With affiliate networks, you can have access to a wide range of affiliate programs and merchants. Moreover, because such networks act as a middleman between the affiliate marketer and brands, they offer other benefits, which can include having a streamlined affiliate marketing process, giving you a dedicated account manager, and providing you with comprehensive reports. Another benefit to joining an affiliate network is that it can help you comply with guidelines better. Once you sign up for an affiliate program, you can get affiliate links that you can promote on Pinterest via your pins. 4. Do your research. Before creating your pins, you must do your research. Check out the competition and find out what they're posting and how they're promoting their pins. Identify your audience and see what they're following or what they're interested in. It helps if you also pay attention to emerging trends. All of these components combined will let you come up with a better strategy for your Pinterest and website content. For example, one of the emerging social media graphic design trends is the use of bold or abstract shapes. Thus, you may want to incorporate these design elements into your pins. 5. Create helpful and evergreen content on your website. If you have a website, you can create content that's relevant to the products or services you're promoting. You can do videos, blog posts, articles, or even how-to guides. If you have old content that you want to use, you can give it a fresh start by adding more up-to-date information. You can also use infographics to relay information. They're highly visual, easy to digest, and offer an accessible way for your audience to get the information they need. 6. Set up your Pinterest business account. Creating a Pinterest business account is necessary because this lets you use your profile for business purposes. There are 2 ways to go about this. You can create a new Pinterest business account, or you can turn your personal Pinterest account into a business account. Unlike a personal Pinterest account, a business account gives you access to helpful analytics features and insight tools. That was the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments if you want anything. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.